how to showcase your reviews on Trustpilot on the ClickFunnels page so that you can get maybe probably more leads or sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you completely on how to do that within probably 5 to 8 minutes. So let's get started. So this is the reviews what we have got on Trustpilot. So you could see the Digital Achievers Hub has got over 64 reviews with the 4.8 rating, and 97% of them have said excellent and 3% have them said great. Now I want to put this in the ClickFunnels page so that it can actually drive more leads. First, let me just go to ClickFunnels. So I'm just connecting to the ClickFunnels dashboard, and from there, go to the funnels, whatever you have, and select the funnel on which you actually want to add the Trustpilot review so that it is being showcased on that landing page. Okay. So I want to add this in the live webinar funnel. So I'm just going to click on that and then click on edit page. Okay. So the editor has been opened now. Now we need to decide where exactly we want to show the reviews from Trustpilot. Okay. So I would prefer to add it at the bottom, right? So I'm going to add just after the awards, whatever we have. And to do that, just come down below the section wherever you want to add. Just click on that add new row. Okay. I'm going to select as one column. All right. So within that, click on add a new element. Okay. So I just clicked on add new element, and you find multiple options that are there. Just scroll down to the bottom and you see something called as custom JS or HTML. Just click on that. Okay. Now we have added a JavaScript section here. In this, actually, we need to add the code to display the Trustpilot reviews, right? Now, let me just go to Trustpilot account. I'm just opening my Trustpilot account right now. Now, for us to add the review section, go to Showcase. Under Showcase, you find something called as website widgets. Just click on that. Okay. So you'll be able to find something like this, Trustbox library, right? And you have micro review count and a review collector. If you want to collect the reviews, then this is something that you need to add it in your landing page. Now, if you want to showcase your reviews, this is what you need to add it in your landing page. Okay. So I am really looking to showcase the reviews, whatever we have got, right? So I need this section, and here is something. This is for all the users who have the free Trustpilot account. Now, if you're having a paid account, then you will be able to say showcase a lot more customized reviews. So this is how it's going to appear, or you can show something like this. I'm also going to show you how to create something like this so that it also gives a great look for free without even you upgrading as well. Okay. So evaluate, grade, and things like that. Right. So let me first pick up this code. Okay. So just click on micro review count and just click on learn more. Right. So here you have the option, get your Trustbox 2 easy steps. So widget language English, width 100%, pixels 24 pixel, let it be like that. So theme, do you want light or dark? Now when it says as light or dark, so you got to consider what is the background you have. So in this case, I have a lighter background. Okay. So that means I need for light. If you are having a darker background, then go for dark so that you get the text in white font, something like that, right? So I want this. So just click on get code. Okay. So this is the code that we have to add. So you have two things here. Copy paste this code inside the head section of your website HTML or as close as to the top of the page. That means this has to go in the head section and this has to go within the JavaScript section, whatever we created, right? So let me just complete the first step. You just have to click on this icon. It says that the code has now been added to your clipboard. Just go to the landing page, click on settings, go to tracking code, scroll down, and just add that here. Okay. So I just added Trustpilot Trustbox script. Okay. So let me just click on save. Once we do that, go to custom JavaScript or HTML, and it says open code editor. Just click on that Then again, go back to the Trustpilot code, whatever you have. Just click on that copy button. So it says the code has now been copied, and just paste it here. Click on save. So make sure the code has been copied correctly. Just click on settings, open editor. You can see that the code is there right now. Let me just click on close, save, and then click on preview. So it's still loading. Now you could see our 64 reviews on Trustpilot. The moment you click on this or somebody clicks on that, it is going to actually take you to the review section that is there, right? So that's how exactly you can add the Trustpilot review section into your landing page. Now, say for example, you also want to show some of the reviews, right? So in that case, since we are in the free account, right, they don't have the widget to do that. So in that case, what I would simply do is, I'll go to the reviews, take screenshot of the images, say for example, okay, I'll go to snipping tool, I'll take this review, okay. In the similar way, I'll take 5 images, and I'm going to club all of them, and I'm going to make it as one image, one single image like that, okay. And you can add this image so that it also looks that, okay, there are multiple reviews that you have got with great rating as well, right? So how to do that? Again, let me go to the landing page. So what I'll do, just below this section, I'll add one more element. I'll add a image. Okay, so the image section has been added now. Click on settings, image, drag and drop the image here. So let me just select the image. So the image has been uploading now. I'm going to select this. Okay, you could see the image is coming here right now. Just go to the settings of it. In the link URL, give the same URL. So this is the URL what I'm going to give, where which actually I want to bring the viewers and see the reviews. I'm just going to paste that, and make sure link URL target you are going to show as new tab or window, so that it does not open on the same browser, right? So once done, just click on save, and that's it. We have done, and just click on preview, and we should be able to see the section whatever we have added to show the Trustpilot reviews. And also we are going to see an image where when somebody clicks on that image, it is actually going to take them to the Trustpilot reviews whatever we have got. Okay, so that's how exactly we added. Let me just close this. Let's come down. So you could see the reviews have been added here, and if I just click on this image right now, it's going to take to the Trustpilot reviews. So that's how exactly you add the review section, and also add that review section where it shows the number of people who have reviewed as well. I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please do hit that subscribe button and click on that bell notification so that you don't miss any notifications from this channel. And if you have not attended my free YouTube masterclass, then just click on the link below in the description to attend my free YouTube masterclass, in which you can learn 3 most important secrets to build a great YouTube channel, with the help of which you can also start earning great money. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.